Hello everybody, my name is Ankita Shwastav. I am a world record holder. I've won 2 golds and 1 silver for India at the World Transplant Games, and I'm also a live liver donor. I come here today with a very special message. These have been unprecedented times in the history of humanity. In the hustle to survive this pandemic, accompanied by deteriorating developments such as climate change, forest fires, and countries being overthrown by terrorists now, we have lost touch with the best version of ourselves. In order to reclaim our radiance, I invite you to join us at BVJMUN 21 and become a part of our movement to make the phoenix in each of us to rise again, smarter and stronger like never before. BVJMUN is a platform where you get to give voice to your ideas, reimagine concepts, and rediscover solutions, where your efforts and ideas can become a part of bigger and better change. As just like a phoenix, we rise again with feathers of dreams and efforts and flames of hope, pride, and perseverance. We fly above all the problems we are facing, and we fly magnificently beyond the horizon of chaos, rediscovering resolutions, preserving peace.
We will rise. We have to rise from the ashes. The new dawn awaits. This is an end of an era for all of us. The phoenix must spread its wings and encompass the humanity at large. I think we all would agree that it's time for the phoenix in each one of us to rise again. Since times immemorial, with its brilliant scarlet, gold plumage and melodious cry, flies with its all might a magnificent bird, a symbol of immortality which is known as the phoenix. Yes, you heard it right, the phoenix. The origin of the phoenix has been attributed to the dawn of the first human civilization. This is a story that started centuries ago, a story which is still going on.
से लो चली कहानी, पनघट काल से लो चली कहानी हो। झरपट दौड़ती है फकत जुबान, अनगिन साल से है वही पुरानी। आती कहाँ से ये जाती कहाँ क्या पता।
The story now has changed. When the world became cruel, dark, and chaotic, the phoenix began to age. It became obscured. The monstrous and transcending darkness engulfed the phoenix. The phoenix doomed and brought the earth to its catastrophe.
I tried so hard and got so far, but in the end, it doesn't even matter. I had to fall to lose it all, but in the end, it doesn't even matter. I tried so hard and got so far, but in the end, doesn't even matter. I had to fall to lose it all, but in the end, it doesn't even matter.
The phoenix is breathing hard, gasping hard, trying to fly, to shine. But no matter how hard the phoenix tried, it just didn't matter. The phoenix fashioned a nest of aromatic boughs and spices, set it on fire, and consumed itself in flames. Shall it come out? Come out of the despair that it is in right now? The question looms large for all of us to watch, ponder over in the next 2 days of intense debates, deliberations, and resolutions.
Presenting before you all the chairperson of United Nations Human Rights Council as Mr. Yash Agarwal, with the vice chairperson as Ms. Bhavika Dabar. They will certainly give the delegates an experience like never before.
We are pleased to unveil Mr. Ronak Upmanyu as the chairperson and Mr. Suryansh Dikshit as the vice chairperson of the historic committee, Run Samiti. Having them in the committee will surely be a motivation for all the delegates. We are proud to present the Executive Board of International Monetary Fund, Mr. Priyanshu Grover as the Managing Director and Ms. Mansamar Kaur as the Head Director. They will certainly help the delegates to develop a strong character and a dynamic personality.
In United Nations Security Council, we have the extremely talented Executive Board comprising of Mr. Archit Malhotra as the President and Mr. Akash Kapoor as the Vice President. Availing their proficiency and professionalism, we all can make this committee a better learning experience for ourselves.
We now come to the Global Repatriation Council, whose chairperson is Mr. Pranit Sabharwal and vice chairperson is Mr. Kashish Kumbar. They will surely guide and mentor the delegates efficiently, giving them new areas to explore and new things to learn. We are profoundly delighted to introduce you to the moderator for the All India Political Parties Meet, Mr. Mayank Singhal, and the Deputy Moderator, Mr. Shivan Srivastav. Their cohesive nature is what a perfect MUN demands. It gives me immense pleasure to announce Mr. Shwetank Upadhyay as the Chairperson of United Nations General Assembly, Disarmament and International Security Council, Mr. Shivam Gupta as the Vice Chairperson, and Mr. Sagar Punjabi as the Special Rapporteur. They would surely try to make the experience worth cherishing for all the delegates.
The Proficient Executive Board for the Global Calamity Council consists of Mr. Adarsh Kumar Singh as the chairperson, Ms. Mansi Prabhakaran and Ms. Jasmine Kaushik as vice chairpersons, and last but certainly not the least, Mr. Nikhil Yadav as the special rapporteur. They will add a lot to the table for all the delegates to learn and grow. Serving as the chairperson in UNODC is Ms. Akanksha Vats, and serving as the vice chairperson is Mr. Sayak Dasgupta. Delegates will definitely have an insightful and thought-provoking experience debating under their supervision.
We are privileged to present Ms. Mimansa Dadij as the head for the international press. We are absolutely certain that under her guidance, the delegates will have an invigorating experience.
The moderator for this indigenous committee will be none other than Mr. Shubham Gupta.
After all, out of the ashes shall it rise again, wiser and stronger like never before. 'Cause it is the phoenix that no flame can stop, that no flame can stop. And its rising we shall witness on 29th August. Same platform, same artist, same intensity, albeit with a conclusion.